Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix error editing value cannot edit error writing the values new contents in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the folder you getting this error and select permissions and select advanced, select change, select advanced, select find now. Now you just need to select the start icon and this is your username guys. Now after knowing your username you just need to find your username in this list. After finding the username same as your username over here in the start, and after finding the username you just need to click on OK. Click on OK. Now select add, select a principal, select advanced, select find now. In this list you just need to select your username and select OK. Select OK again. You just need to give the full control check mark and select OK. Now select apply and OK. Now in this list under group or usernames you just need to find your username and then make sure full control checked over here, and after that select apply and OK for save changes. Now your problem should be fixed guys. Now you can edit any values as like you want and you will never get an error message again. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.